Hey everyone, welcome back to Coffee and Learn English. I'm Mia.
And I'm Liam. We're really happy you're here with us today. If you're new here, please subscribe and like this video.
We're here to help you practice English in an easy and fun way. Today we're learning like and as, so you can compare, explain, and sound natural in everyday conversations.
All right, ready? Let's go. Grab a coffee and let's chat.
Straight to the point, like and as can feel similar, but they do different jobs in a sentence.
And if you use the wrong one, you might still be understood, but you won't sound as natural or as clear.
Today you will learn the meanings that actually show up in daily English.
And you'll learn the simple rules that stop most mistakes.
Here is the core idea you can hold in your head. Like is usually followed by a noun or pronoun.
As is often followed by a clause, or it shows a role or function.
We'll do this with real examples.
Friends talking, texting, work situations, instructions, and everyday opinions.
Also, you will hear like used in very casual ways, and you will hear as used in more structured ways.
But we're not going to overcomplicate it. We want you to use it today.
By the end, you'll know how to say things like, it looks like, it sounds like, use this as, and do it as I showed you.
And you'll stop guessing when you speak.
Great. Let's start with like, because like is everywhere.
Yes, like is one of the most common words in English, and not only as a filler word.
Exactly. We mean like as a real grammar tool.
Like is most commonly used to compare things. It means similar to.
And in daily English, it often appears with senses like look, sound, feel, taste, smell.
It looks like rain.
It sounds like your phone.
It feels like winter today.
This tastes like vanilla.
That smells like coffee.
Notice what comes after like, a noun phrase. Rain, your phone, winter, vanilla, coffee.
That's the pattern. Like plus noun.
Here are more easy comparisons.
He talks like a teacher.
She dresses like a celebrity.
That kid runs like a professional athlete.
This room looks like a hotel.
Like is also used to give examples, meaning, for example,
I like relaxing activities like reading and walking.
we could do something fun, like go to a new cafe.
And like is very natural and casual suggestions.
You can try something like a latte.
Or we can do something like a quick workout.
Now, a short friend conversation using like naturally. Listen to how it sounds normal.
This place looks like a studio.
Like a podcast studio.
Exactly. It has that cozy vibe.
And the lighting is like a warm sunset.
That is a poetic description.
I'm trying.
This drink tastes like dessert.
Like chocolate cake in liquid form.
Yes, but it's not too sweet, so it's okay.
It smells like cinnamon too.
Great. Like is doing two jobs here. Similarity and examples.
Perfect. Now we move to as, because as is used for role, method, and clauses.
As has a few very important uses in real English.
The first big one is role or function. As means in the role of or used as.
I work as a teacher.
He works as a manager.
She used her phone as a flashlight.
We used a box as a table.
Here, as shows what something is or what it is functioning as.
That's a big difference from like.
Because like would suggest similarity, not identity.
Exactly.
Another real use, speaking in a certain role.
I'm saying this as your friend.
She spoke as a professional.
He answered as a team leader.
Second use, as with a clause can mean in the way that.
Do it as I showed you.
Leave it as it is.
Say it as you normally say it.
Notice the clause after as, subject and verb.
As I showed you, as you said, as you know.
Third use, as can mean because, but it's more formal.
As it was raining, we stayed home.
In daily speaking, people often use because instead.
But you will see as in writing, emails, and formal explanations.
Exactly.
Now let's hear as in a mini conversation.
Listen for role and clause. I worked as a barista for a while.
Nice. Was it stressful?
As you can imagine, mornings were crazy.
I can imagine.
I had to do everything as fast as possible.
Great. Now we compare like and as side by side to lock it in.
Side-by-side comparison time. Like plus noun. He talks like a teacher. As plus clause. Do it as I explained.
Now, a common learner sentence is do it like I explained.
In casual speech, people do say that sometimes, and you will hear it.
But if you want a simple, clean rule, use as with clauses for method.
Do it as I explained. Do it as I showed you.
Now, role. She works as a designer.
If you say she works like a designer, it sounds like she is not really a designer.
It sounds like she behaves like one.
Another pair.
Use this as a tool.
If you say use this like a tool, it sounds like it is not actually a tool, but similar.
Great. Now, two super useful expressions with as soon as and as long as.
You'll use these constantly.
As soon as means immediately after something happens.
I'll call you as soon as I get home.
Text me as soon as you arrive.
As long as means on the condition that.
You can borrow it as long as you bring it back tomorrow.
We can go as long as we leave early.
Now, let's practice those inside a friend conversation so it feels automatic.
Now, friend conversation. Plans, conditions, and quick reactions.
Listen for like, as soon as, and as long as.
This cafe feels like a movie scene.
Like a cozy romantic scene with soft lighting.
Exactly, it's the vibe.
I want to take a picture, but I always look awkward.
Just stand like you normally stand.
Like this?
Yes, like that. And smile like you actually like me.
I do like you.
Okay, good.
I'll send you the photo as soon as I edit it.
Perfect. And as long as you don't use heavy filters.
I promise, I'll keep it natural.
As you know, I hate that super smooth skin effect.
Yes, it makes people look like plastic.
Exactly.
This drink tastes like cinnamon.
It does. It smells like winter.
That sounds like a perfume commercial.
True.
Okay, now a work situation, because like and as show up a lot when you explain instructions.
Yes, work and study are the best places to use as correctly.
Work or study situation, instructions and feedback.
This is where people get confused, so let's make it very clear.
Imagine someone says, do it like I showed you.
That's common in casual speech, but a cleaner option is do it as I showed you.
Now another. Write it as I wrote it on the board.
That is natural because you're copying the method.
Let's do a mini workplace chat.
Okay. Can you format the document as I did in the example?
Sure, like the one you sent yesterday.
Yes, exactly like that.
Notice something. Like that is fine because it's a noun phrase.
Exactly. Like that is not a full clause.
But as I did is a clause.
So you see both in real life, but for different structures.
Another workplace example.
Use this image as the thumbnail.
Not like the thumbnail, as the thumbnail.
Exactly. It becomes the thumbnail.
Great. Now let's do quick mistakes and clean fixes.
Short and practical. Quick fixes. Common errors with like and as.
Let's do them with clear meaning. Mistake. He works like a doctor, but you mean that is his job.
Natural. He works as a doctor.
Mistake. She spoke like a manager, but you mean she was the manager in that moment.
Natural. She spoke as a manager.
Mistake. Use this like a tool, but you mean for the function.
Natural. Use this as a tool.
Mistake. Do it like I explained, in a formal email.
Natural. Do it as I explained.
Mistake. Like you know, it's important.
Natural. As you know, it's important.
Mistake. I'll text you like I arrive.
Natural. I'll text you as soon as I arrive.
Or I'll text you when I arrive.
Great. Now let's add one more useful pattern, as if and as though.
This is very common in real conversations.
And we will keep it simple and natural.
As if and as though are used for impressions.
It means it seems that way even if it's not true.
He acts as if he knows everything.
She talks as though she owns the place.
That one is so real.
You can use it for feelings too.
I feel as if I'm forgetting something.
He looked at me as if I was crazy.
That is very natural English.
And it can be neutral or slightly dramatic depending on tone.
Now let's put it in a friend conversation.
Okay. Did you see him at the meeting?
Yeah, he spoke as if he was the boss.
Exactly. And everyone was looking at him like, who are you?
That is the perfect mix.
It's real.
Great. Now we do a longer mini story using everything, like as soon as long as if.
This helps the patterns stick. Mini story. Listen and notice the patterns.
Picture it like a real day.
Yesterday, I walked into a cafe and it looked like a small podcast studio.
Like microphones and everything?
Not microphones, but the vibe was like a studio. Soft lights, calm music, and a quiet corner.
That sounds perfect for studying.
It was. I opened my laptop and started working. I used my phone as a hotspot because the Wi-Fi was weak.
Nice use of as.
Exactly. Then a friend texted me and said she would arrive as soon as her class finished.
Did she come quickly?
Yes, she came in and looked at the menu as if it was a difficult exam.
Some menus really feel like that.
True. She asked me what to order and I said, get something like a latte or a cappuccino, something simple.
Great example use.
She said okay, but then she ordered something with 5 ingredients and 2 kinds of syrup.
Of course.
And she said, I'm ordering as a treat today.
Nice as a treat, role or purpose.
Exactly. Then she said we could stay as long as we finished our work first.
Perfect condition.
Great. Now we finish with a clear practice plan and a recap. Practice plan. Simple and real.
You can do it today.
Step 1. Make 3 sentences with like for similarity.
It looks like rain.
It sounds like your phone.
It tastes like cinnamon.
Step 2. Make 2 sentences with like for examples.
I like warm drinks, like tea and coffee.
We can do something fun, like go for a walk. Step 3. Make 3 sentences with as for role or function.
I work as a teacher.
I used my phone as a hotspot.
Use this as a reminder.
Step 4. Make 2 sentences with as plus clause.
Do it as I showed you.
Leave it as it is.
Step 5. Use one expression.
I'll text you as soon as I get home.
You can borrow it as long as you return it.
And, optional, add as if.
He acted as if he knew everything.
Final recap. Like is usually followed by a noun or pronoun and often means similar to or for example. As often connects to a clause or shows a role or function.
All right, that's it for today. Thanks so much for listening. We're really happy you were here with us.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and like this video. Turn on the bell so you always get notified when we post a new one.
Comment, what's your biggest difficulty in English right now, and what do you want to learn next?
Grab a coffee and we'll talk again soon.